learners, today I am going to tell you how to make a GUI in Tkinter. An introductory portion I told you yesterday, but today I am going to repeat it that for the making of GUI you need to import the module Tkinter, create a main window, add any number of widgets to main window and apply the event trigger on the widgets. So Tkinter is the most commonly used method and a standard Python interface to the TK GUI toolkit shipped with the Python. Python with Tkinter is the fastest and easiest way to create the GUI application. Importing Tkinter is same as importing any other module in the Python code. Note that the name of module in Python 2.x is Tkinter and in Python 3 it is a Tkinter. In 2 the T and K is a capital and in small in 3.x. Now import Tkinter. For using this it's used two methods, TK and main loop. So TK is the screen name none, base none and class name none. You have to and use TK equals to 1. You have to define within it to create a main window. And the main loop, there is a method known by the main loop is used when your application is ready to run. Main loop is an infinite loop used to run the application. Wait for an event to occur and process the event as long as the window is not closed. ये रन ही करती रहेगी जब तक कि विंडो क्लोज नहीं की जाती है. अब आए आपके पास how to create the first window in Tkinter. Tkinter also offers access to geometric configuration of widgets which can organize the widget in the parent window. There are mainly 3 geometric widget classes. Yesterday I show you how to make a window. So just see how you can make it. Import Tkinter M, Tkinter TK main loop. Now run this and you will find that you can make a window in Tkinter. Now the three class which I introduced yesterday, pack method, grid method and place method. Pack is for making a block and grid is to make a table like structure and place is made for the place the information widgets in any particular position. Now today you learn how to make the button. Button, to add a button in your application, the widget is used. General syntax is WButton master option value. When you write this, then you can create a button. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. There are a number of options which are used to change the format of button number. Of the option can be passed as a parameter separated by commas. Some of them are listed below. Active background, active foreground, background, command, font, image, date, height, all these options you can set in the button. Now just see import Tkinter as TK. And R equals to Tkinter TK, R title counting seconds. Now I am making a window which has a title counting second and a button TK button R. R is for the main window master. Text is equal to button name is stop. Its width is 25. Command R destroy and button pack. Button pack will make a block for the button and how it will make just see in the Python. For that I have to use the second program in it. to show you the button. Just run it and find the button. Here is a button. When you press, then it is stopped running the program, main program, and the main window. You will get the title counting second and the stop button. Now you have to create next thing is to main loop, and then you have to create now just the line canvas of your Tkinter. It is used to draw the picture and other complex layout like graphic, text and widgets. The general syntax is canvas, master and option value. And options are the border color, border width and background, normal background color, cursor to set the cursor used in the canvas, then highlight color and then width and height. Now this is the program through which we can make a canvas in Tkinter. For Tkinter, import star master tk and it's general line for the Tkinter, then W canvas master width 40, height 60. I am setting the width and height of the canvas. Then W pack is to make the block of the canvas. Then I again define the canvas height and width through which I am going to make the line y equals to int of canvas height upon 2 जितनी height है उसके आधी उसकी line की height हो. W create line. The option for the line is 4 coordinates 0 y and canvas width y. So canvas width comma y. So there are 4 coordinates. First coordinate is 0 y is the half of the height, and canvas width, total width is 60, and then comma y. Canvas width is 200 and comma y. Then it will create the line in your Tkinter. Just see it here by running this program. Run this and you find the line which is made by the program, and canvas height 20 and width is 200, and then y equals to int canvas height by 2, then it is divided equals to 100, 200 upon 2, that is 100. Then here you get 0, 100, 100 comma 200 comma 100. So it will create the line here. Now next is you have to create the check button in Tkinter. The check button again required some options which are active background, active foreground, background, command, font and image. So set this. For that I have to write where 1 equals to int variable, and check button is equal to master, text equals to mail, variable equals to var1, grid row 0 and sticky w. It will set your checkbox in the grid where the row equals to 0, and then next I will set the checkbox which is in which the row equals to 1. Now run this program and see how it is making this checkbox. For that you run the checkbox program and find out how it will make the male or female which you want to select. You have to click on that and then save in some variable. Just now I am making only the GUI interface. So next come the program is how to make the entry. It is used to input the single line text entry from the user. For multiple line text input, text widget is used. The general syntax is master option value. The master is the parameter used to represent the parent window, as I told you, and BD, BG, cursor, command, highlight, color, width and height you have to define in these options. From Tkinter, here you have to write label 1, master text, first name, grid, row 0, grid row 1. You will get 2 labels and then entry E1, E2. E1 is for first name and E2 is for last name. And then you have to set the grid also and main loop. Just now run this and get your entry program. For that you have to run this program and find out the entry menu. Here they have written event.grid. You can write here .grid row 0 column 1. Even in one line you can write this program. So next is Tkinter. You have to make a frame. It acts as a container to hold the widgets. It is used for grouping and organizing the widget. The general syntax is master option value. Each has the master is necessary because it is a parent parameter, and then values are according to the containers. So highlight color, border color, background color, cursor, width and height you have to define for widgets. Then here I have defined the different color button within the frame. For frame you have to write frame equals to frame root. Root is the master parameter, frame dot path. It will be a block. Then bottom frame, frame root, bottom frame path, side equals to bottom. Now you are setting your frame and then you are creating the button. Red button equals to button, frame text equals to red, foreground equals to red. अब उसको text भी red और foreground FG equals to red ले लिया है. Then red button path side left. हर बार अब हम उसको लेफ्ट में सेट कर रहे हैं और बटन को बना रहे हैं. Now see this program how to run. For that you have to run the button program. So run it and find the buttons. You will get the 4 buttons: red, green, blue and black. So it is setting the color of the button: red, green, blue and black. For that you have to write button frame. किसके अंदर है? फ्रेम के अंदर है. उसका टेक्स्ट क्या है? ग्रीन है. The green is the text and the foreground color is green. और अगर बैकग्राउंड कलर कुछ हम दे देंगे तो वो भी ले लेगा. अब हमारा आया नेक्स्ट. बटन के बाद आपका आता है लेबल. It's refer the display box where you can put any text or image which can be updated anytime as per the code. अब वहाँ पर हम master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. अब parent window का लेबल हम बना रहे हैं जिसमें बैकग्राउंड कलर, कमांड, फॉन्ट, इमेज, विड्थ, हाइट सेट करेंगे. लेबल इक्वल्स टू रूट, अब रूट का लेबल क्या बनाया हमने, टेक्स्ट वेलकम टू द Tkinter tutorial. So output will come this like this. So run this and find out the program. For that you have to run the program. So run it. Run. Welcome to the Tkinter tutorial. So it will give you the main window label. So next is you have to learn how to make ListBox. It's offer list to user from which the user can accept any number of options. The general syntax is W ListBox master option, and options are highlight color, beige, BD, font, image, width, and height. Image to set image on the widgets, and highlight color, the set the color of highlighter of widgets, then width and height. Here I have done top equals to TK, and in place of master you can also write top equals to TK, and then LB equals to list box is equal to top, and then LB insert. Now you are inserting the list, Python, Java, C++, any other, and pack, जो भी हम widgets बनाते हैं उसको पैक करते हैं तो उसका ब्लॉक बनता है, top main loop, and then run this program and find out the output. You will get the list of the program and you can select it. Okay, so this is the way to make the list. Then next come MenuButton. You use the menu in your general packages or languages. Here they just, when you press home, then you will get all menus. Same way we can make a menu in Python. For that you have to use the options: active background, active foreground, background, border color, cursor, image, width, height, highlight, color. All these things you require. For that you have to write top equals to TK, and then MB, menu box is equal MenuButton equals to MenuButton, top, text, GUI main. First you have made the GUI main menu label, then MB grid. Now you are making a grid to define different menu in a grid. MB menu, MB tear off equals to 0, MB menu, MB menu. Now you define the sub options menu. For that, C var int var, A var int var, C is for contact variable, C var is for contact variable, and A var is for about variable. Then you have made MB menu add check button, label, contact, and label about. So in main menu there are two sub options, contact and about. Then make a pack, that means you have making the block. Then top mail to. Now run this program and get the output and find out how they are making the main menu with some menus, contact and about. So run this. There is a main menu, then contact or about, whatever you want to use. Just you making the interface, not the running interface. It is only just a interface GUI. And next come menu. It is used to create all kinds of menus used by the application. The general syntax is menu master option value as usual in all widgets. So there are numbers of options which are used to change the format of the widgets. Number of options can be passed as a parameter separated by comma. Some of them are listed below. First is a title, active background, active foreground, background, command, font, image. Now you have to make a menu, menu root, then root config menu equals to menu, and then file menu equals to menu, and then menu dot add cascade label file. अब आपको सब मीनू बनाना है तो उसके लिए मीनू add cascade label file menu. So there are a menu between under the main menu. So for that you have to define this way and then write file menu, add command, label equals to new, label equals to open, add separator, then make a separator, and then again make another file menu, command, label, exit. First one is a file and second one is a exit, and file have a two sub menu, new and open, and then file label, exit, command, root, quit. That means you want to exit from the menu. Then help menu equals to menu, then menu, add cascade label, help menu. So when you use the cascade, that means the main menu has some menu, and now and in help menu there is a about menu. Now how to run this program? Just go to the main program and get the run the program, and you find out how it is working. Just run it and find there is a two menu, file and help menu. So file menu has a new option and exit. When you press exit, you come out and run it again, and then when you press the help menu, you will get about. So this is the portion when you write a file menu, add a separator. When you run, you will get the separator in the main menu. Just see in the file, and this is the separator line which you are getting in the menu, and this is a second menu which has a sub menu about, and in first menu you can exit your program by pressing the exit. Now next come the option message. It's referred to the multiple line and non-editable text. Its work same as the label of the that of label. The general message is message master option value, and options are border around and background color, font, image, date, height. And this is our message. In message you write this is our message. Message main text our message. Message where config background light green. Here you can make any color of light pink, light blue, light red, light yellow, anything you can write message there path. Now you are separating the widgets, you are making a block, and run this program in the Python. You get this message. I have taken light pink. Here you can change the color blue or any other color, and you get the color according to your use. This is our message. So you can change the message color here. Now next come Next come radio button. It is used to offer multiple choice option to the user. It offers several options to the user and user has to choose one option. And for that you have to write W radio button master option value. And option values are active background, active foreground, background, command, font, image, width, height. And you have to write all these options with your radio button, boot, text, mail, variable V, visa int variable value 1 and the second option value 2, then pack, anchor, W. Now you are making a block and just now run this program and find out the radio button. Male or female, which you want to select, you click it, it will come on that place. So this way you can make a radio button in Python. And next come after radio button you have to learn scale. It is used to provide a graphical slider that allow to select any value from that scale. The general syntax is scale master option value. There are number of options which are used to change the format of widget. These options are cursor, active background, background, orientation, horizontal or vertical, किस तरह का आपको स्केल चाहिए, हॉरिजॉन्टल या वर्टिकल, from to start the value of one end of the scale range to set the value of the other end of the scale, and image to set the image on the widgets, and width. For that you have to write master tk scale master from 0 to 42, wpack scale master from 0 to 200, orientation horizontal. By default vertical hota hai and this is the horizontal. So making two scales, you just see in this by running this program. Run this and find out your scale. This is the scale through which you can select the program, and this is a horizontal scale. So there are two scale you are making and you have to select the value according to your requirement. Then next comes Scrllbar. For that you have to write Scrllbar is referred to the slide controller which will use to implement listed widget. The general syntax is Scrllbar master option value, and its options are width, active background, background, border color, border around, and border size, cursor, and then you define this root tk scrollbar root, scrollbar pack, side, right, fill yellow, fill yes, my list equals to ListBox root, y scroll command, and scrollbar dot set from line in range for line in range 100. My list insert and this is the line number str line, my list path side left fill both. Scrollbar configuration command my list y view. Now run this and find out how it will work. For that Scrllbar you have to do this and run this. You get the Scrllbar. I have defined the value up till 99. So it is giving the value in the Scrllbar. You can select it. This is the range ListBox root by scroll vertical scroll करेगा scroll set for line in range 100 0 to 100 होगा. My list insert and this is the line number str line and my list back side left fill both, दोनों तरफ से fill किया उसने my list view और उसको दिखा दिया. Now next come after Scrllbar text to edit multiple line text and format the way it has a display. The general syntax is text master option equals to value, and the options are highlight color, insert background, background font, image, weight and height. Now you have to define the message. Here the Tkinter text root height to width 30, and then write tpack t insert, and I have written my channel name and then run. So come here and run this. First of all, you have to comment this and then run this program and find out how it will give the message. This is the message. Now next come top level, which means which canvas will come on top. The widgets is directly controlled by window manager. It don't need any parent window to work on. This general syntax is W top level master option value. There are number of options which are used to change the format of widgets. Number of options can be passed as a parameter separated by comma. Some of them are listed below. Background, border, cursor, weight and height. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार हम रूट ही यूज करें, उसकी जगह हम टॉप करके अपने विजेट्स को पहले भी यूज कर सकते हैं. सो रूट टाइटल लैंग्वेज एंड द टॉप लेवल इज Python. So it will give you a Python first, then Java. So run this and find out. So run this. First come Python, then Java. Although the Java is the root main window title. So next come the SpinBox. How SpinBox will work? For that you have several options again. It is entry of widgets. Their value can be input by selecting a fixed value of numbers. The general syntax is जब हमारी वैल्यू फिक्स होती है कि इस एज के बच्चे ही केवल काम करेंगे या इस नंबर के बीच का ही नंबर चाहिए, तो हमको स्पिन बॉक्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शन विच आर यूज्ड टू चेंज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ विजेट्स. नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शन कैन बी पास एज अ पैरामीटर लाइक बैकग्राउंड, बॉर्डर, कर्सर, command with active background, disable background, from to start the value of one end of the range, and top to set the value of other end of the range. So SpinBox master from 0 to 10. You are getting value between the range of 0 to 10. So run this and find out how it will work. You are getting the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up till 10. So this is the SpinBox, and then next come after SpinBox you get PanedWindows. It is a container widget which is used to handle number of panes arranged in it. The general syntax is PanedWindows master option value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent, and it has an option background, border, cursor, width, height, and then you have to write m1 equals to pen window, m1 pack, fill, both, expand, one, एक ही लाइन का एक्सपेंड था होगा, लेफ्ट एंट्री m1 bd 5, बॉर्डर 5 होगा, m1 ऐड लेफ्ट, m2 पैन विंडो, m1 orient vertical, m1 add m2, and top scale m2 orient horizontal, m2 add top. अब ये आपका इस तरह से आएगा, तो एक में आपका टेक्स्ट आ जाएगा और एक में आपका नंबर आ जाएगा. Just run it and find out. Here you will get the number, and when you write something here, then it will take the text. So this way to you make this and pan window, and you can type your information in it. Today it is all, viewers. If you want something else, or you want to query about the GUI, then please comment on my video and ask me. I will clear it. Thank you, viewers, and please share and subscribe. I need it. It is very essential to promote my video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.